You know those girls on social media, the ones who look perfect, even when they're just stretching or looking tired? Their faces always seem sharp and shaped, like their cheekbones have somewhere important to be. Every angle picture perfect. And then there's us. I did the whole skincare routine, followed the makeup tutorial, fixed up my brows, put on some lip gloss, curled my lashes, even drank the smoothie and tried to think positive. What else am I supposed to do? Still, sometimes your face just says, nice instead of wow. That's when you catch yourself thinking, maybe those girls are just the lucky ones. But here's the truth. You're just as special, you just haven't learned this one simple, totally underrated trick yet. Get ready, because what you're about to find out is so easy it could be your new favorite part of your routine. Pay attention, this is your moment to shine. 1. Skin and face. Let me be real, there's no need for a complicated 15-step skincare routine that feels like a full-time job. Here's the deal. Wash your face twice a day. Nothing fancy, just clean skin that's ready to glow. Moisturize no matter your skin type. Hydrated skin looks fresh, smooth, and alive. Exfoliate gently once, maybe twice a week. Think soft massage, not harsh scrubbing. And don't skip sunscreen. Seriously, even if you're mostly indoors, it's your best defense against aging and dull skin. Think of your skin like your personal canvas. It needs care that's consistent, not complicated. 2. Hydrate and eat right. Glow up starts from within. No cream can fix dehydrated, tired skin. Drink water like it's your job. Keep a bottle with you and sip often. Flavor your water with lemon, mint, or whatever makes you want to drink more. Replace one unhealthy snack each day with a piece of fruit or a handful of nuts. Your skin will look better and you'll feel better too. Love comforting noodles? Throw in some greens or a boiled egg to level it up. When you fuel your body right, your face will thank you with fresh, natural radiance. 3. Sculpt your face. So, you want those jawlines and cheekbones you see on your favorite stars? You can work on yours anytime. Puff your cheeks and hold, then release. Do this 10 times when you're watching television or texting. Raise your eyebrows like you're surprised by good news. Hold, relax, repeat. Move your jaw side to side slowly, like chewing invisible gum. And this might feel weird. Keep your tongue gently touching the roof of your mouth. It's called mewing. Do this whenever you remember. It subtly improves your face shape over time. Your face can look sharper just through these small, free habits. 4. Smile and teeth. Nothing beats a genuine smile. Brush twice a day, floss if you can. If you don't have whitening strips, then rub the inside of a banana peel on your teeth for a couple of minutes before brushing. It actually brightens slowly. Smile at yourself in the mirror before you leave the house or a call. That confident energy will change everything. Your smile is your easiest, most powerful glow-up. 5. Brows and eyes. Your eyebrows are the silent game changers for your face. Don't go overboard plucking. Instead, lightly fill in any gaps with a brow pencil. Brush them up and set them by dipping a clean spoolie or mascara wand in aloe vera gel. Puffy eyes? Chill 2 metal spoons in the fridge overnight. In the morning, place them gently under your eyes for a minute to reduce puffiness and brighten your look. With just a little attention here, your face gets an instant "I've got this" vibe. 6. Hair. Good hair days matter. Here's how to get that effortless look without spending a fortune. Fill a spray bottle with water and add a few drops of lemon juice or rose water. Keep it in the fridge. Spray your hair roots in the morning to tame frizz and boost shine. Flip your head upside down and brush from the ends upward for instant volume. Braid your damp hair before bed. In the morning, you'll have natural, soft waves that look polished without heat. 7. Sleep and confidence. You can cover up tiredness for a bit, but nothing works like solid sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours. If life won't let you, naps between tasks help more than you think. Before you step out, check your posture. Shoulders back, chin up, and walk like you own every room you enter. Repeat a positive line to yourself in the mirror. I am enough. I attract good energy. I am powerful. Whether you believe it at first or not, your body will follow. Confidence amplifies every glow-up step you take. It's the secret no one can teach you. Simple, no BS glow-up routine that works easy, affordable, fits your life. No magic, just smart habits and self-love. What's your first step? Water, workout, sunscreen. Comment your goal and shine. Not perfection, just confidence. Stay tuned. Bye.